Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have our 2016 Ram 1500 Express. This one has the 3.6 liter V6. Made it to the automatic transmission, of course. But you know what? This is a really nice truck. Has just under 50,000 miles on it. I'm sorry, just over 50,000 miles. And it's in really great shape for what it is, which is a work truck. Great back seat area. Once you're inside, it's a really nice place to be. Nice and comfortable. Got a coin holder. This is a bench seat, so you can fit 6 people in here. Nice little storage cubbies and stuff like that. But yeah, let's go ahead and take it out on the road. I do like the Dodge Ram. I've always kind of been partial to it. At first I was kind of wary of driving one with the V6, thinking it's not going to be any good, but just listen to this sound. That is such a good engine note. Wow. Personally, I think the V6 is a sweetheart of an engine, especially the Pentastar 3.6 that's fitted in this truck, as well as many other Dodge, Ram, Chrysler products. This is really cool. I think I'm getting a call from a telemarketer. Yep. Oh, it's gotta happen when I'm filming. That's just the way it is. With an 8-speed automatic transmission. I do like all the materials in here, even for being a base truck. like this was back in the day. You still have a touch screen. It's a really, really nice truck. This thing flies. Overall ride comfort, really, really nice. I could actually drive this thing all day and be perfectly comfortable. This is just absolutely phenomenal. Let's see how it handles these back roads. This one does have some mud terrain tires on it, so this thing's set to go off-road. Tackle any trail you throw at it. Over the bumps, let's see how it does. Not bad. Not bad at all. Overall, absolutely awesome truck. One I would definitely want to buy and own. So if you're viewing this video, come by, check this thing out. You might just buy it. Thank you so much, guys. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.